With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is frequency f of a simple pendulum depends on its length L and acceleration g due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is g. According to the following equation, f is equals to 1 divided by 2 pi under root g divided by length of pendulum. So graph between which of the following quantity is straight? A, B, C, D option are given here. So we have to find the correct option. So the solution of this question is, we have the f, that is frequencies, 1 divided by 2 pi, and this is g, that is acceleration due to gravity, divided by L, that is the length of the pendulum. If we square on both sides, so we get this is 1 divided by 4 pi multiplied by g, acceleration due to gravity, L is the length of the pendulum. So comparing with the straight equation, that is y is equals to mx. This is the equation of straight line. That is y is equals to mx. So from comparing, we get f is equals to f square and m is g divided by 4x. This is 4 pi square, so this is 4 pi square, and we have the x is 1 by g, 1 by L. So this is g divided by 4 pi square. So from this we can say that graph between f, we can write here graph between f square on ordinate so we can write here, and 1 by L on abscissa is a straight line. So this is the answer for the question. Now we check which option is correct here. F square and 1 divided by L on the abscissa. So our option D is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.